In this drawing, we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man kind of crouching, like crawling, like he's on the wall. So it's going to be, you're going to see a lot of his back, pretty much. Different pose for him. There is a Spider-Man playlist. You can go check that out as well. I want to go through like as many poses as possible so you could look at a playlist of Spider-Man and be able to draw almost any pose. That's kind of my goal. But anywho, that's pretty much it. This is intermediate. I wouldn't say it's completely for beginners, so be careful, but beginners can try, okay? Ooh, excuse me. Let's kind of get started on it, all right? Step by step. Hey, alrighty. Let's get into this Spider-Man, right? First thing I do over here is I'm going to draw a circle for the most part. Over here, up for the top of the eye, over here, up over here, but the eye's gonna be going around the corner on this one. Curve, and curve underneath to see this entire eye. Gonna go right here, maybe around the top of his head, and I'm gonna draw a curve for the back shoulder. I'm gonna go over here on this side, pull a line here, kind of for his trapezius rolling into his shoulder. Curve over here for the back of his shoulder there. And I'm gonna pull a line down here for the bicep area. Go over here. Tricep pulling down, forearm, other side of the forearm, and line out, and then maybe you can draw like his finger over here. You can draw, I don't know, like probably the rest of the fingers over here. You could just like split them, and if you really want, draw the thumb. Okay. I'm gonna go here to the back, pulling down, out, down here. It's gonna be the curve of his back. Pulling up, in for the waist. Let's go over here, find this back arm. Curve for the back of the arm. Curve for the front of the arm, down over here for the forearm area, out over here. I like putting the four fingers together for the most part, except for the thumb, the pointer finger. Over here I'm gonna split these up, 1, 2, 3. And over here the thumb on this side. Alrighty, I'm gonna go to the back over there, and I'm gonna draw the waistline. So I'm gonna curve around here, draw that waist. Down over here, have his knee, draw the knee, flat over here, pull up. Go over here, the thigh, curve up. Back here, rear end. I'm gonna go back over there and curve down for the other knee. Gonna pull this up, finding that lower leg, the ankle there, back of the foot, down over here, and it's gonna get big at the end of the foot there. Gonna go right here, in, up, in, up. It's finding the pattern. Line around there for the wrist. Line around here for the wrist. In over here. Let's go over here, and you can circle here and like a dot, I mean, and draw like a spider. There's a bunch of L's, right? Coming out here. curve, line, 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 curve around here for the pattern on the leg, and then we're gonna just draw a checkerboard pattern on the leg there. Same thing over here for the end of the hand. And also same thing over here for the upper part. It's interesting drawing it from this angle, right? It's completely different. Line over here, line over here, line across the back here. Over here as well. Circle here for the center of his face. We're gonna have all these lines I'm drawing, by the way, are thin line right there. See, it's a thin line coming from that center point, and then right here we're gonna draw thin lines as well for the web. It's just kind of curving, right? It's a circle pattern throughout the face. Like overall, it's circular, but it's got that curve to it, and that's kind of what gives it that kind of look, that personality. But you want to make the lines like that thinner so that it doesn't get away from the design. And that's it. That's Spider-Man crawling. Do me a huge favor, hit the like button and also share the video, and please hit the subscribe button. Make this the video you subscribe in. This was done as a request, so I want you to request it. But if you do request, subscribe, okay? Talk to you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.